Crocodiles are formidable predators, but in the wild, they're not invincible. Today, we explore 5 remarkable animals that could potentially challenge and even take down a crocodile. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus amphibius. Hippopotamuses, or hippos, are large, semi-aquatic mammals native to sub-Saharan Africa. Despite their herbivorous diet, hippos are extremely territorial and can become aggressive when threatened. With their massive size, powerful jaws, and sharp tusks, hippos are known to attack and even kill crocodiles that encroach upon their territory. They have been observed charging at crocodiles, using their immense bulk to crush or trample them. Lion, Panthera leo. Lions are apex predators found primarily in Africa's savannas and grasslands. While they typically hunt land-based prey such as antelopes and zebras, lions are also known to venture into waterways for drinking or cooling off. In these situations, they may encounter crocodiles. Lions are formidable fighters, equipped with strong jaws, sharp teeth, and powerful muscles. They have been documented attacking and killing crocodiles, particularly when defending themselves or their pride members. Tiger, Panthera tigris. Tigers are the largest cats in the world and inhabit various habitats across Asia, including forests, grasslands, and mangrove swamps. While primarily terrestrial hunters, tigers are strong swimmers and are known to enter water in pursuit of prey. In regions where tigers and crocodiles coexist, confrontations may occur. Tigers possess immense strength, agility, and sharp claws, which they can use to overpower crocodiles, especially if caught off guard or during a surprise attack. Anaconda, Eunectes spp. Anacondas are large, non-venomous snakes native to South America's tropical rainforests and swamps. Among the largest snakes in the world, anacondas are powerful constrictors, capable of suffocating prey with their muscular bodies. While they primarily prey on fish, birds, and mammals, anacondas have been known to ambush and overpower crocodiles. By wrapping their coils around a crocodile's body and constricting tightly, anacondas can subdue and eventually asphyxiate their reptilian prey. Saltwater crocodile, Crocodilus porosus. While it may seem surprising, saltwater crocodiles themselves are known to engage in deadly battles with other crocodiles. These apex predators are found throughout the Indo-Pacific region, and are known for their aggressive behavior and territorial nature. Male saltwater crocodiles, in particular, fiercely defend their territories from intruders, including other crocodiles. These territorial disputes can escalate into violent encounters, sometimes resulting in fatalities as the dominant crocodile eliminates rival competitors. Each of these animals possesses unique adaptations and behaviors that could potentially enable them to kill a crocodile under certain circumstances. However, it's essential to remember that such interactions are rare and often depend on factors such as habitat overlap, competition for resources, and individual animal behavior.